Salutations, guys! Welcome to this new lesson. As you know, I'm Milenia Carillas. I'm an English student from the UPM FM. Let's start. If you can see here, the lesson for today is the alphabet. Repeat with me. The alphabet. Let's continue. Our self-competency for today's class is identify the letters of the alphabet through speaking, listening, and reading. Do you know, guys, how many letters does the alphabet have? You don't know? Okay. The alphabet has 26 letters. If you didn't know. The alphabet has upper and lowercase letters. Two kinds of letters. How many letters does the alphabet have? 26 letters, great. And you can see in the alphabet upper and lowercase letters. But today, you are going to learn the lowercase letters. Let's learn the alphabet, guys. A, repeat with me. A, apple. Apple. V, banana. V, banana. Let's repeat with me. C, cherry. C, cherry. Do it again. A, V, C. D. Repeat, please. D. Date. D. Date. E. E. Eggplant. E. Eggplant. F. F. Fig. F. Fig. D. E. F. G. Repeat, please. G. Do it again. G. Grape. Grape. H. H. Honeydew. H. Honeydew. I. Ida palm. Ida palm. G. H. I. J. Repeat, please. J. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. K. Repeat again. K. This one is the letter K. K. Kiwi. Kiwi. L. L. Lychee. L. Lychee. J. Repeat. K. L. M. M. Repeat. M. Mango. 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 N. 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 Do it again. N. Nectarine. N. Nectarine. O. O. Orange. Orange. M. N. O. O. P. P. pineapple. P, pineapple. Q, queens. Q, queens. R. Do it again. R. Let's repeat with me, please. Let's repeat with me. P, Q, R, red curm. Excellent. S, strawberry. Strawberry. T, tangerine. Tangerine. U, ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. V, vanilla. Vanilla. Repeat, please. W, watermelon. Watermelon. X, cigar. Cigar. Y, repeat with me, please. Y. Do it again. Y, Jamberry. Z, zucchini. Zucchini. Okay, now you already know the alphabet and some fruits that you can write with each letter of the alphabet. Let's make a review. How many letters do we have in the alphabet? How many letters? We have 26 letters. 26 letters. Repeat with me. We have 26 letters. And do you know and do you remember? We have two kinds of letters, right? Uppercase and lowercase letters. Repeat with me. Uppercase and lowercase letter. But if you remember today, as I told you before, you were learning about lowercase letters. You were learning about the lowercase letters. Now, please, at home you need to practice the alphabet. You need to write on your notebook the lowercase letters that you learned today. It's gonna be better for you because you are gonna be practicing. Yes? As soon as possible, we are going to repeat the alphabet. Let's help me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. You did an excellent job, guys. Thank you for being with me. You already learned the alphabet, the 26th letter of the alphabet.